Streamlined Backshop Services presents a brief demonstration of our latest installation project. Tonight we have an early run Kato SD40-2 that does not have the factory ditch light housings. We've installed a Digitrax SDN144K1E sound decoder and a pair of 10 by 18 millimeter speakers down in the fuel tank. And to spruce this one up a bit, we've added a pair of our ditch light housings to the nose. These are porch-mounted ditch lights, so it really has a good prototypical look to it. Just another one of the services available from SBS for DCC.com. Hope you enjoy.